Hey, I'm Arya. Let's make Excel Excel. Today, the find function. It returns the position of a character or substring inside a text string. Pair it with left, mid, or right, and you can split any delimited text into pieces. 3 real examples coming up. First up, the basic syntax. Our record string column packs data into a pipe delimited string like 006, pipe, Charizard, pipe, fire flying, pipe, Gen 1. We want the position of that first pipe. Type equals find, open paren, quote pipe quote for what we're looking for, comma, M2 for the text to search, close paren, hit enter. Result is 5. That's where the first pipe sits. Now the second pipe. Find has an optional third argument, start_num, which tells it where to begin searching. So we nest 2 finds. The inner find locates the first pipe at position 5, add 1, and we have position 6 as our starting point. Type equals find, open paren, quote pipe quote, comma, M2, comma, find, open paren, quote pipe quote, comma, M2, close paren, +1, close paren, hit enter. The outer find skips past the first pipe and lands on 17, the second pipe. Last one, the real payoff. We use both find positions to extract whatever sits between them. Mid takes 3 arguments, the text, the start position, and the number of characters. So our start position is find first pipe +1, which is 6. The length is the second pipe position minus the first pipe position minus 1, which is 17 minus 5 minus 1 equals 11 characters. Type equals trim, open paren, mid, open paren, M2, comma, find, open paren, quote pipe quote, comma, M2, close paren, +1, comma, find, open paren, quote pipe quote, comma, M2, comma, find, open paren, quote pipe quote, comma, M2, close paren, +1, close paren, minus, find, open paren, quote pipe quote, comma, M2, close paren, -1, close paren, hit enter. We get Charizard, trimmed and clean. That's the find, mid, trim combo for parsing delimited text. So that's find. One function that returns the position of a substring inside a text string. Pass an optional start_num, and you can hop past previous matches to find the next one, third, fourth, however many you need. Parent with mid for extracting middle chunks, left for grabbing everything before a delimiter, right for everything after, and trim to tidy up the result. Just remember find is case sensitive and does not support wildcards. If you need either of those, use search instead. That's how you make Excel Excel. And if you want to take your find formulas and turn them into a web app your whole team can use from any browser, check out SpreadsheetWeb. Your formulas, your logic, live on the web with no coding required. Link is below.